Alright guys, so today we're going to be playing some the boat battle and yeeps hide and seek with
My brother told me I had to chase the man.
Taco Bell Good and Dan
One
the
was
Gamer.
yummy and one was Taco Bell Good, I guess.
Alright, so today what we will be doing is doing teams of 2 versus a team of 1. One player will be on the one player will be on the red team, and 2 players will be on the blue team. We will alternate throughout. Let's go. I'll be on red team, and Taco Bell Good and Dan the Gamer will be on blue team. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh no, guys, they're actually gonna get me. Crap. All right, just so you know, if we get hit enough times, we will lose. 3 hits and then we're up. What's up for us? So we can only have 3 HP. We can also go to each other's ships. If we get killed, you have to go back to our ship, and we also will have to steal each other's treasure. That's our main goals, are steal each other's treasure. Now, as you can see, we got my treasure in here, right here. So I'm gonna go try and steal their treasure. I still do this. All I have to do is steal one of their treasures and we'll be good. Kind of suck at this game, guys, so please don't laugh. Alright, let's get the treasure!
No.
Yarr, har, har. I got my treasure! I need to get back to base. Alright, guys. Almost at my base. Oh no, I stuck! God, I need to go. Put the treasure in my base and we'll be good. Yes! I got some treasure in here. Okay. Let's go do this. And I think red team has won.
Wait, no? Really?
Alright. I'm sorry, I should probably mention this. Since blue team has 2 players, they have to grab 4 pieces of treasure, while red team, they only have 1 player, have to grab 2. But alright guys, let's do round 2. I'll be on Taco Bell Good, and Dan the Gamer will be on his own team. Let's go! Alright, Taco Bell Gamer, get over here. You're on my team this time. Alright, so guys, what I'm choosing today, right now is the bat, and then
I missed
the
that.
radiation bomb.
Ready.
Alright,
I'm gonna go
start.
steal it, you protect.
Yeah. Alright. Guys, I'll try and defend this treasure here. Get the treasure!
Yes, you missed. Haha, but you're never gonna get this though.
You only need to steal 2 pieces. Get him out. Come on, go get the other treasure. Come on, to get 2 pieces.
Already, it's 2.
It's 2 pieces. All right. Come on, get it. He's leaving. No, extend him.
Oh, cheater.
Oh no, he's gonna win. No. Come on, go.
Go. Yes. I got it.
And red team has won. All right. Taco Bell. This round, Taco Bell will be on his own team. And then we gotta wait 2 minutes. So, let's go. How about we play some spleef in the meantime? Go play some spleef in the meantime, guys. So we're not gonna be just doing boat battle in this thing. We're also be doing 2 rounds of boat battle and 2 rounds of spleef. Let's go! Alright. So guys, in this, we all have 1 life, and if you die, you have died for the whole entire round. Alright? So,
Wait.
we are going to be doing this really easily. So we're going to be doing it so if you die, that you lose for the whole round.
Wait, say the first thing that you said again.
Sorry. And so guys, today we're going to be doing this with the same people, but we're going to be doing it with...
What were the rules again?
Oh, if you die, you'll get out for the whole round. Whoever has the most wins. We will do a 3rd round if someone wins once. Like if everyone's won once. Or 2 people have won once. We will do multiple rounds until 1 person has won. Alright, we are starting. You went too early.
Alright, let me get my stuff.
Okay guys, let's do this. By the way, we should not be.
You're gonna die.
We are not using any propellers. All right, guys.
But you use it. But you have propellers.
No, I don't. All right, guys. 3, 2.
Wait.
1. Crap! No. Oh, looks like I'm out, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go spectate them. So I can't do anything except just move around. I'm just spectating. Here, guys, I'm gonna grab you real quick.
I did it!
Alright, looks like Taco Bell Gamer has won. Alright, guys, we're starting round 2. You guys ready? Let me get out my camera. Alright. Let's go! Dang it, we kind of forgot to do something. Sorry, guys.
Oh, we need to restart.
I am sorry, guys. We forgot to reset the map pillows. We are idiots here.
And it's alright.
Did I just hear pillows breaking? Oh, of course pillows are breaking. Looks like we're starting with the middle empty, guys. We start with the middle empty, apparently. Let's go! Start with the middle empty for some reason.
Okay, he's gone.
No! And I have lost again. Looks like he is the winner. So you have indeed won spleef. Now we're about to play a boat battle. This will be the last round. Whoever wins this wins. Okay. Let's go. So, yeah, I will be... Sorry, guys. I forgot to put up my camera. Wait. What's the glitch? Today, but like right now I'll be on team with Dan the Gamer and Taco will be on his own team. Whoever wins the whole thing. Ah!
Okay,
this will be easy.
Yummy, go on the right. Yummy, go on the right.
Alright. And no propellers. Just to make it more fun. We're not going to include propellers in this. Seeing who can win. Let's do this. Come on.
Okay,
Begin!
I'll go get it from him.
No! Get out of here! Die! Die! Yes, I killed him! Get out of here! Get out of here. You're dead. Yeah, guys. Looks like we haven't been playing about the rules. But remember when I said 3-hit rule? Yeah. But yeah, we have a 3-hit rule. You're alive again. Alright, if I can just get rid of him. Good luck getting in.
Right.
That's 4. I think I got all of them.
Come on, you only need to grab 4 of them.
I did grab 4 of them.
Where is he? There he is.
No, no, no.
We need to get him out of here.
No, no, no. Oh, those close. No.
Oh, he only grabbed 1. He only grabbed 1. Let's go.
I hate you.
Bro, why did you forget to grab 2? Come on.
Give me this one.
Come on.
Coming.
Do you have? How many do we have of his?
We got 4.
We got
I
4?
4. Yeah, see, look.
Blue team has
We got 5.
lost, and
extra
red
one.
team has won.
No.
We have an extra one. Look.
Lucky.
All right. All right, guys. So that was the end of the video. How do you enjoy it? You like it? All right, good. You better have liked it.